If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting whenever your computer goes to sleep or restarts, this video is for you. I'm going to go over a few simple ways to fix this annoying issue. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of your taskbar and find your Wi-Fi connection. From there, make sure Connect Automatically is checked. Now, I'm assuming you already have this checked, which is why you're watching this video. So from there, if you're still having to manually connect every time, try this first step, which is to simply right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and then click Forget. Once your computer forgets the Wi-Fi connection, your Wi-Fi network probably won't show up since you forgot it. So right-click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar, then click Network and Internet Settings. From there, click Show Available Networks, and your forgotten network should show up there. Click on it to join and enter your password if you have one. Make sure Automatically Connect is checked. Try restarting your PC to make sure it works. This should fix the problem for 99% of people because I personally used this method the other day to fix my laptop at home. But for the 1% of you that are still having problems, try this next trick. Just right-click on the Windows icon below in the taskbar. Then select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your PC. If that didn't do the trick, try this as a last resort. Open Control Panel, then click on Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. From there, restart your PC and see if that fixes the issue. I hope this video was helpful, and please comment below if any of these tips worked for you. Be sure to subscribe for more PC tips and reviews, and until then, we'll see you next time.